Yeah, tell you. This I'm gonna like live more well. Oh, my head. Good night, the gardens. Girl, I'm not feeling well. Ah, talking to one, talking to two. My stomach is hurting. I have acid reflux. And also I'm having a slight headache. Mm-mm. I only drink soup and drink tea, that's all. Oh, and also I drank a box of milk today, but I regurgitate after. The, the, um, the text them move slow. Yeah. Okay, the gardens. So you're saying that honey and lime is good for it? I have a little honey in my fridge and I have the lime extract. The one that they sell in the bottle. I have that one in the fridge. The pain is horrible. Thank you, Linda. Good night. Oh, you have 15? I only have 2 person watching.
Only we 38. Listen, you have a change to YouTube support.
Head I hurt my mom.
Change to YouTube support.
Thanks, my lovely couple. You know, me love it well, no? To be honest, I love the gardens. You guys make me feel like I'm married. I love the bonding between you guys, and I can clearly see that you guys understand each other, and I really love that.
Baby mom say, baby good to God do it for you for that still. But no, I don't want this off. I want more. If you have 42, you know. So you know, so no, I don't want it off. I want more. And maybe never play full fire. Maybe never play full fire. You see the man that play. All that. Pressure them, TV, walk one to she, walk one to charge. What you know, see the man that's what TV.
Hey Shane, remember I'm doing my live
You
here.
was in the artist, no?
Oh man,
You gonna put this up on evening.
when me start my life, my headache I get worse.
You can't go to focus. Are you gonna focus now? You can't go to focus. Shame there. No, something else is shame.
The gardens.
You have to shame one hour.
I don't think
Stand there
so.
for one day and then stand in and
I don't think so at all.
you see your man play. Play.
Sweet men stop
Play.
make.
Play. 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 Yes. Yeah, say shame there, shame good to your play free fire and free fire, man. Oh, I can bust the boy in this man.
Yeah, the boy, I'm in the family live.
So we look after them.
Show him the funny?
You know, say, man. Yeah, man. Shame
No,
say, man,
sir.
bad man, want to bust me here. You know, they tell me, say, that could be nuts. This man kill you.
Mm-hmm.
Can't talk to you. He knew him kill you. You know, say, him the nuts, you know, the nuts. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No, no, I'm not that problem, man. Shame say, you know, to start, you know, for you.
Sure, I would like to be a part of your show. What will be the topic?
Shame say, I think we'll give up our work to be that love. So, this man, the guy, you know, the get like sacked last Sunday. With your man. You see me? So, you can't feel like you can't, but you must go for a run. You come in, you see my family, you come in, you can't. You see me?
Hard talk. Hey, that one sound interesting. And I love the hard talk thing, you know. You see, I just said that you remember the TV program that used to come on TV
Water.
by the name of Religious Hard Talk. Does that show still come on TV?
Oh, you never know, same work.
Good night,
Man,
Malcolm.
same work, man.
Your friend not feeling well at all.
She alone I make the check, you know? Man, she alone I want the one I came.
Thanks, Malcolm.
The M&I 7 ready. Wait, you have the box in the shower. And when you might you have your and whenever the leave the work plate.
Guys, in the interim, I heard that there will be a bomb in Montego Bay. I don't know how true that is, but that's what I was told since night. So I'm wondering if any of you guys heard of it. Okay, the show stopped. It was a good show.
Yeah, we get somehow
Well, I didn't get much information on the bombing. Um, Someone texted on a live saying that, but my brother, he confirmed it by letting me know that um, persons are trying to evacuate from Montego Bay, and on their way to wherever they're going,
one of them
um,
so yeah.
some of them met in accidents, truck and car involved. I don't know, but that's what I was told.
Oh, we have to talk to video today. Yeah, man. Yeah, so you don't school
The
that
bomb happened
you
already.
don't school that about somehow. Yeah, I wouldn't know about pay for that.
God have mercy on us.
I wouldn't know about pay for that.
Have mercy on the land, dear God.
But like one of them say like I'm the fake news thing. I
It's
wouldn't
not
know say
fake,
fake.
Shane, because Malcolm said it happened earlier.
The man but them
It
guys
happened already.
they want yeah, they want to do for
Yes.
so I never from no bomb.
The Gardens, it's not even Jamaica. It's the world because in Maryland today there was a bomb explosion, and I think it was last week there was another bomb somewhere in America. I don't remember exactly where. So I really don't understand what is happening in the world. This big sea that we all know, it comes to kill, and apparently it is not killing enough people, so the devil invade idlers and using them to devour.
Um
Hey sis Felisa, you're here.
you see I think they want
Jamaican things, my bestie, welcome.
you see
Let me
them
see the time. Shane, what time is it?
840.
Okay, so Jamaican things. I was checking to see if it
You see them left on
was
speaker
7 o'clock
when
because I know that's your busy period.
mm, now when I 50
Oh
upon
my God,
15
Fel,
minutes
I'm
come.
really sorry to hear that.
Yes,
You're
15
my
minutes come.
informant because I never know about the bombing until you let me know on the live. I hope that your family member will get home soon and be okay.
Ah, you got message lady. Now we have a run the live off, now we run off the live off. I 1 hour. Need 10 more minutes.
I really don't understand what is happening. Yes, girl. Yes, Jamaican things. I understand family time. But I know when you're free, you will be back. I'm just going to stay on the live and run up my watch hours. I don't really have a topic for tonight. Just chilling.
Instagram at the same name as my YouTube. You see me? So just link me on
That's
Instagram.
the one Jamaican thing I was trying to remember. Somewhere in Maryland. So it is called Baltimore. In Baltimore, yeah.
Yo,
So Felisa is saying Yeah, here checking up. They block one side. Let me read on this phone because it is disappearing on this screen. Yeah, here checking up. They block one side of the road, so everyone traveling one direction now. So it's crazy on the road. Mighty God, guys, let us pray. Let us pray because we don't know what trigger off this bombing and we don't know what will come next.
No man,
So we
this
need to
man them
pray.
come because you know, like now we need to go
Jamaican thing. That is the same thing we're talking about. The bombing in Montego Bay.
you get
It
some
is so
people,
cliche. Maya went down today and now this has happened. Can you imagine how she feels? Honestly, the guardians, what do you think? I don't think Jamaicans bought the bomb.
yeah man,
It's
you
more
get
like some other
you get
people
pictures in them
coming away look
class,
island. Come and try and mash up
you
with
get in them
island. That's what
class
I
and our
feel.
school JD, you know if you want to come up from the class,
That's
from the school
exactly.
get you over JD.
I hope Maya stays safe. And guys, three of my sisters, about three, four of my sisters are now in Montego Bay, and I have no contact for them. Oh boy.
Just make sure she have space and things to go and do.
It is very serious, the
Because
gardens.
when you want to share, baby and share
I need
have
to
a
find a
space
way to
and
get to
you
my
make you want
siblings.
some space.
The Jamaican thing is saying that's why government need
Then baby three
it's
times and
disappearing
answer.
on this screen.
See what?
That's why government
Say hello
needs
three
to
times.
lock up the borders from the
So the
borders
man right
open.
there,
You know,
baby
see how
say,
much the cases
baby
raised in
I say,
Jamaica. A
when
pure
you pray
madness are
three
gone.
times,
That is true.
but me get
Absolutely
sisters,
true.
no know that food I we can pay. And
I
if you
don't know
ever
what
get
is
something from
happening.
me, I'll give you custom.
Pure madness. And we, the people, the citizens of this land, it's like there's nothing that we can do about it. Seems like we can't do anything about it. We just have to live and ask God to protect us and protect
So
us
you think
and our family
they can get the
at
greater
all
baby?
times.
Yes, baby, baby.
As it is now, the government, they can't protect us. They can't.
They say they can do it already. Just add me up.
Why?
Just add me up, man. So you can get the number. Just add me like the group. You have a new share, man. You have a group. You have just leave. Just leave. You have a new share.
That's true. The
You
guard
have
is
a new
nothing to do
number.
about it.
Go in there.
It grieved me. Exactly. Prayer is very important and prayer can move mountain. Remember, He's the same God of yesterday, He's the same God today, and He will be the same God tomorrow and forever. So we just have to pray. And do you realize that there was a point where churches has not as had to be closed because the
Yeah,
devil
they want to get the number. You know,
him
some
knows the
man get the
unity of
card. You know what they
strength.
do that with
So he
card.
tried to
Like a
separate
TNT and a
church
vote and them.
members
You just
from
enter the number
uniting
with
in
me.
prayer.
Like when you get the
But it
greater
is
baby
so
right there,
good
you can just add me up
that
and pray.
even if you're at your home, you can pray and reach heaven, right? Because you don't have to be in the church, which is the building. The church is us, or the church is our body. The build where we go to worship, the temple is just it's just a building, but the church is us. So we can stay home and pray, and God hear us same, just the same. true. Jamaican things. So Jamaican thing is saying, funny as it sounds, you know, said Jesus days things were much worse. I agree. When I watch the movie, I see what I go on.
You sure right now my app still you type it in the chat and remove it, but type it in the chat
So
now or
Jamaican thing is
remove it
saying
back
again,
when you
imagine
click
a
on
group
right
of
now back.
people could just decide to store a particular person and get away with it. Stone, excuse me. There were no laws like we have now, no rules. So
The
apparently
man never
we're
listen
living in a
to
better
I don't
time, a better day, because we
when the
have
bad things
law
listen to go on, listen me.
and we have to
When
abide by the law, because if we do
when you
not
say me
abide by the
me have
law,
you put me for
consequences, we have
your number
consequences
for
to face.
Instagram and me just send him through WhatsApp and we just add you.
So Felisa is saying, yeah, it was worse back then. Really and truly, it's the same thing, but we are more advanced. Gun replace sword, for example. That's true. And to be honest, I rather the gun. Not saying that I am. Um, which,
Uploading the gun man.
yeah, upholding. Yeah, I can't even find the word. It's not like I'm upholding if there's a word like that.
Then I must we are lose that.
But that's not the word I was looking for.
But I still want to learn that still define the gun. It still define that's
Shane
the
crazy,
magazine.
you killed me. Felicia, please tell Shane to leave me. But anyways, the gun better than the sword, because can you imagine somebody pull you with the sword? Oh my
Can
god.
you
If you get
imagine
a
somebody
shot, you're
shot you
just
with a
dead.
MB? With
But
a
with the
MB.
sword,
Suppose them shoot and you're dead.
oh my god. But if you're not dead, remember the world equipped now where you can go emergency same time and they do surgery on your whatever.
You know you say,
But when they use a sword, what if they just pluck out your heart or something?
so what if they shoot out your heart too?
Well, me not could debate on that right now, God, we just ask to protect us.
Anything you leave, one hour leave me. Leave one have our leave one have our in Instagram. Zero. This one's the 100.
Shane, you want to sleep already?
No? Game you still go play. It's a pass one there, thumbs up and hot.
You end your live?
You know because you know like I say 78, 70, 280. 78, 70, 280. 78, 70, 280. You must get that now.
Shane, I get a message for you.
Felisa.
Yes.
You can never Felisa man. You know it.
Continue to eat your finger
The
and
sugar
leave
in it.
and leave me alone.
Tell Felisa that sugar. Sugar in it.
Felicia, he said that sugar is in his finger. Oh God, guys, may I tell you.
My money.
Felicia is hearing you in the background. She heard you calling her name.
Yeah. I look, you think me never did say nothing bad. You me around.
Yes, sir.
So the people that did that hear me number.
My people and my life, they don't want your phone number.
Wait, I did them I did for.
Okay, Jamaican things. Hurry and come back, my baby. Shellyan, what's up? Good night. Welcome to the live stream.
We get it alone. We know if we get it alone because next no one alone after night alone because we
Sure.
no one minute. We never run it off. Maybe we go like
Don't stay long,
in
okay?
the later. and me come on your life, you see me, one or the other. With them and put on Wi-Fi one and the other and go up there to live. I move for it, and
Where?
give it to them. So
The gardens. And you know so not trouble though.
trouble me.
Trouble there. Where Shensi I love say. Hoy. What she say?
You know?
I don't remember Shensi a sound. But
Me I say, what you
anyways,
say, yeah, man, do you get the number?
the gardens. I'm a single girl, you know. Felicia, you not tell them. You not
But
tell
yeah,
them say
yeah,
your
man, get
friend
the number.
single.
Just make sure your number right, but man, because number not right. You know, we have to get in contact with me again when we end the night. I mean, so we need to
Sheila,
get
we're just
something.
chit chatting. You heard about the bomb that took place earlier in Montego Bay
Make
today?
sure you get the number. 78 70 208. 78
I'm
70
a single.
208.
I'm a single mother
78
with one
70
child.
208. The only life thing. The only life.
When? I don't know. The gardens,
Oh, no,
I
man, go
really
there,
don't
any life.
know.
Yeah, man. Oh, so you get to know man, link me, you know. Like, link JD on Instagram. And she
You
send
know,
her
so only not
number.
easy do the
And
gardens.
you
You
get the
want to come and
address
eat
there.
cake, but I don't have
And
any
go see
man.
Shensi.
I don't find the man yet.
And
I
leave
don't
she.
find the man as yet. Hi, Mike. Long time. Long time I haven't seen you. How are you? Since night Shane and I we were talking about you, you know. Come Shane, go show your face.
Well, Mike, I would have take girl them star apple. Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Mike
this
VP
so
hen.
come the this so senior now.
Yes, you must see me. I would have Mike the girl them sour sap.
How will you get that slang there from? Shelly, and to be honest, I'm tired. I am so tired of being single. I am tired of it. My baby father and I, we broke up in 2015. I'm not going to say I haven't been in any relationship other than that, but you know, when you're not too serious, something like that. Felicia, I call her Shane.
Yo, just link me up on app. Cause me at any live I know, you see me? Me at any
Even though
live
he's a
I know.
Felicia.
You see me?
I think it's hard to find a guy right now that said them want to
But
get married.
Felicia said,
Phil, you see these men? Let me tell you. Wait, Shane, just come. Let me tell you about a relationship I had few months ago. So we were there. Things were nice. You know? I get whatever I wanted. I'm not going to go in detail. But when me think it was peace and safety, sudden destruction take me over.
alright, I
Meaning,
go end the
the
live
guy
I
just
know. You see
disappear.
me? I'm on
Him
end the
just
live I know.
disappear.
I go pay free fire.
So me not know what to these guy. They don't want any serious relationship. What is that, Moya?
Million people in IT.
But Shelly, two time ago, you think me I can find the right one?
Let that
You feel so? Two time ago, my God, better me draw close to
Felicia never get
Jesus.
mad. Felicia said, Shane make me mad.
Ah, the man not make good, no man. It's like these men nowadays, them have quicksilver in their brain. I am afraid of the abusive relationship because I was in an abusive relationship for, let me say, approximately 5 years, and I take myself out of it, and as a result of that, it makes it so hard for me to want to go in any serious relationship. It's very hard for me. Exactly, Mike. They are afraid of strong women. That is so true.
What really about?
Let me tell you a little story, guys.
Tell Mike to behave himself and
It's not
behave
really
himself.
good to talk your personal business on here, but let me tell you something about me. You guys are my family. You guys are my family because I chose this platform not only to make money but to interact and to meet new people, right? So, let me tell you a little story. If you don't want to hear a story, it's a story. More see it
Yeah.
in the comment section. It's a story before me talk.
Watch out when man them squeeze you like touch.
Let me read what Felisa is saying first. So she said, my friend was with this guy. The guy do everything a woman can dream of. Couple months down the road, she found how the man I live two life. Have woman, a beer, and the next woman in Kingston. That is so sad. That is so sad. That is the life the people them want to live. The man them want to live. And if they found out that you have another man, even a close friend, they want to kill you. It is similar to the live that we did on Sunday with the gardens. And what's his name? Kim? Kim, you're a real G. Big of yourself, you're a real G. From a man perspective, you weren't biased. And I love that. And many more men need to think like you. Alright, story. Just sit down now. Alright, let me relax and tell you a story. Alright, so once upon a time in 2010, listen, guys, in 2010, no, it was 2009, over to 2010, I went to school all by myself. I went to do early childhood education. Listen, guys. Shane, turn that down. Hey, Les, good night. Me I run a story, I know. Me I run a story. And they open and follow me, So 29 to 2010, I went to school by myself. I did level 1 and level 2 in early childhood education. After that, in 2011, I met Maya's father. Maya, my daughter, I met her father. Back then, I wasn't independent. I was very dependent. So, God, when I met him, he professed to be a very good guy. And to be honest, as I said, I wasn't independent. I needed the help to go further with my career. I needed the help to go further with my career, right? And he professed to be a nice guy. And we got together. We spent almost 5 years together, as I said. He told me that it would have helped me to go back to school. Knowing that I didn't have the help and I love education, I felt so good. Yeah, find a man now who could help me if done school and all of that. And he promised me, Anyway, we get in. And when I asked him, what about school? You're not going to help me again? At first, we'd never have anything, to be honest. I'm not going to pretty up anything. We never have anything. He used to juggle now and then. And, put food on the table and all of that. But when me think that he was going to help me to go back to school, he never helped me. He was saying I have better things to do with his money. And I could build his house. He even promised me a computer then. When I asked him for the computer, when he went and did a good job and got some money, I asked him for the laptop. He said I could build a house. He said that he was going to build a house. The house is more important than the laptop. So, saying that to say this, guys, sometimes it is very important to be independent as a female, not depend on no man at all. Don't depend on any man at all to take care of you financially, emotionally, none of the alley. On the other hand, guys, on the other hand, we broke up in 2015. And that's when I went back to school and I did my level 3 in early childhood education without him. I did level 1 and 2 without him. Met this guy. He promised to help me. And at the end of the day, I had to help myself. So let's say that you have to be independent and stay focused on you. That is what I learned. You have to put yourself first in everything. Never you depend on a man. Especially men of today. I went to do level 3 on my own. Shane, what is that? Turn it down. Me for turn on my voice when I talk to my people them. Felicia, me I beg I talk to Shane. Shane, guys, am I talking loud? Let me know. Talk to me, guys, in the comment section. Talk to me. So Shane, Felicia is saying it's bedtime now. You need to go to your bed and leave me alone. Maya, stop. Exactly, Les. That is so true. Some of them just going around seeking women to use. And guys, I almost died twice for that man that I'm telling you about. I went death road twice for him. I've been to the theater twice. And he's the one who caused me to go to the theater. But you know, life goes on. Life goes on.
Yo. Family pancake and TNT comedy were not clear. You know, some of them we have a school. And then memo company. You don't know what they are talking.
It still hurt a bit, to be honest. It still hurt a bit. Knowing that I was very independent on my own. In the sense of, I always want to go to school, get a good education, met this guy. He tricked me. I got a baby out of it. But such is life. And also, guys, let me tell you this. On my own, and let me tell you how I went to school. I used to wash my cousin dirty clothes. He used to run taxi then. And I charge him 1,000 Jamaican dollars to wash his clothes every week. And I sent myself to school. And to go into that relationship and to endure all of that. It's like I sell my soul. It's like I sold my soul. Exactly, might them make promise they can't keep. So right now, best me stay far from me. Felicia, I'm telling you, girl, I've been through it. I have been through it. And let me tell you guys, I am still in school. Let me tell you this, missing myself go to school. My mommy never had it then to send me go to school. I went to Denby High. And after finish Denby High, I wanted to go back to another high school to get some more subjects. Because you know back then, when you go Denby or any other school, you could have go back a Veer or Gavier, some school to get some more subjects. I never had the help. My father, deadbeat. I never had the help. I'm a strong girl. I went and I did my early childhood education on my own up to level 3. And guys, let me tell you the sweetest part of it. Maya, go and sit. I don't know if you guys know International University of the Caribbean. There's a campus in Denby. I don't know if you guys know of that campus. Guys, I send myself to university without a man. So I just want you to follow the storyline. You can research it. The Ed campus is in Mandeville. You have one more in Kingston. There's a branch in Cayman. I sent myself to university. For now, I am financially unstable, so I have to stop school. I just put it on hold. No, I'm in my 3rd year. But because of the COVID, you guys know that things get really hard. So I put school on pause for a while. So next year, I should be thinking of graduating with my bachelor's degree in primary education. And I do that all by myself and God, with the help of God. So saying that to say this again, as a woman, exactly, the gardens, COVID mashed up everything. They mashed up everything. Can you imagine how I'm going to feel when I finish this journey on my own? COVID, I'm begging you, please stop, because I need to finish my degree so that I can be a role model to others. You understand? Females out there, you can do it. You don't need a man to do it for you. All you have to do is to be persistent. Persistency is the key. And you have to believe in yourself. My journey isn't easy. I had a rough childhood, but I didn't let that deter me from going towards my dream. Earlier, guys, I told you that I'm not feeling well. I have acid reflux. That is another story by itself. Gone are the days when I used to go to my bed hungry. We want you to be successful. We are here to support you all the way. Thank you, the gardens. Thank you very much. That means a lot to me. Les, everything will come into place soon. The journey continues. That is so true, Les. Thank you very much. These Words of
And
encouragement, it means a lot to me. I know other persons will see this video and some of them will criticize. But if we don't share our testimony, how are we going to help others? This is like a testimony. Guys, gone were the days I used to go to my bed hungry so that my younger siblings could eat. Me and my mommy, we stayed hungry. When my aunt used to give us food, when it couldn't stretch for everybody, me and my mom, we went hungry so that the younger ones could eat. That is where I am coming from. Exactly, the gardens. Guys, you know, I had to remove one of my video since week because of a particular person. I had to do that because that person said that I am looking fame. I'm not here to look fame. I'm not here to look fame. I'm here to make money to complete my degree. And I know money can make here. And I need to meet new people too. And people need to hear about my story so that their life can be better. No, the garden. No, not X was the first. It's not a YouTuber. The person is my blood. Biological blood. I don't know if you guys watch a miscarriage prank I did a couple months ago. I did that prank, one of my blood. My blood. And you don't understand how that person let me feel. For days I've been depressed because of the words that were used to me, and knowing that it's that particular person who have said such thing to me. It really hurt me, and I had to go ahead and remove the video. I lost watch hours, but you know, as Les said, the journey continues. Okay, so Les is encouraging me. She's saying that don't worry about things, because every little thing is gonna be all right, Kenny. Aww, thanks, Les. It will. I don't know if you guys pick up that I'm a bit impaired, speech impaired. There are certain words I cannot pronounce, and if I talk fast, my lips, my tongue lips, so my words sometimes jumble up. It's a family thing, it's a genetic thing, and I've been bullied for that. But don't make that stop me. My daughter has it, so I'm teaching her love yourself, appreciate yourself, knowing that God made you this way. Okay, Les. See, understanding me clearly. Back then in high school, you know, I wouldn't stand and read, because when I start to read or talk, you have to find somebody a laugh after me. And back then, me used to easy for shame. Even when I had the potential to do something, even if I had an answer to a question, I would keep my mouth closed because I know I would have been bullied. But now, I don't give a damn what others want to say about me. Okay, Felisa, do that. And please let me know if they're okay. We want to know. Thanks, Les. God will open doors. Just keep the faith, and all things will be added unto you. Thank you, Les. I am trusting God. I am trusting God. Ah, my head hurts. I used to cry. I used to cry when they trouble me. I long up my mouth. Long up my mouth, and cry and talk to God. I always go in one little corner and talk to God or wait until it's night. I used to live at the country area back then. So when time at night outside normally dark because we didn't have electricity then. You just winky and this when a moon shine. So then my mother, she had a sun heap, so I normally go on it at night and sit and look up in the sky and cry. Me say, God, why you make me so? You see them a laugh after me and stuff like that and me cry. Sometimes in that me make up monkey face after myself and tell myself that you're so ugly. But each time I say that, me have to tell myself, so, no, you're not ugly. You're pretty. So I had to encourage myself. Even my family member, they laughed at me. They called me donkey lip. Yeah, man, they call me donkey lip on my ball. But me cry to God, That's where me get my strength from. That's where I got my strength from. Me just continue. And when I go out, people normally say, you're a very intelligent girl. So, me feel good. Feel encouraged. You're a very bright girl. My teachers back in high school used to tell me that you have the potential, you can do good. They used to let me know that I can do this, even if I don't believe in myself that I could do it. But I always have someone reminding me that I can do it. So that's where I get my strength from and handle the bullies. Thanks, Les. Thanks, Mike. Thank you, guys. I tried. A lot of time we have the potential, but we just need someone to remind us. It's not that you don't have confidence in yourself, but sometimes you need somebody to remind you. Even in a relationship, you look nice and all of that. No. But you want your partner to tell us, babes, so that suit, they fit you good, you look good or whatever. Or you can say to the man or vice versa. You need a little encouragement sometimes. So I'm trying to build my platform some more before I unfold some other stories. I've been through it with friends, with family, with lover. I've been through it. But I'm a conqueror. I'm a warrior. Exactly, Mike. Most YouTubers, the true person, we just get the fake, the pretty thing. Thank you, Les. That means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate that. What happened to you? Tummy hurts? Come. Walk around there, son. You sure your tummy hurts or you need attention? You want mommy attention? What happened? Want some tea? Alright, make this go 1 hour and then I can give it tea, alright? Guys, my daughter said that she isn't feeling well, so I may have to end the live soon. Thanks, Les. I really need it. I need it, to be honest. I need to get monetized. As it is right now, I have to be depending on people to assist me financially, and I don't use to that. I used to work my own money, so it's very uncomfortable. So I really need it. I'm hot. Thanks, Liz. She loves attention, you know. Her belly may be hurting, but I know she needs my attention. I know her. Even my daughter, she's very skilled, you know. She loves to do gymnastic. She can hack. I don't know. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to post it. YouTube may turn off the comment section, but I'm going to post it. I think I have one. I think I have one with her. I'm going to post it when I end the live, so you guys can check her out. So guys, I'm rubbing my forehead because my head is hurting. Let's have a twin. Aww. That is sweet. I always want a twin, you know. Make sure you take extra care of them because I love twins. How do you manage twins though? Let your hands stay right here. Let your hands stay right here. Okay, Les. You see? God helped you. And he will continue to help you with them. I know it can be hard to attend to 2 babies at once. So guys, I'm going to relax for the rest of the night. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy schedule to be here with me. I'm going to try my best and relax because I'm really not feeling well. So it's good to be married. I want to marry, Les. I want to get married. But I don't want to marry anybody still. God bless your husband. Good men are hard to find. Okay, Les. And for those who are here, thank you again, guys. Stay safe. Stay blessed. All right, the gardens. I will. I will email you guys. Have a good night, guys.
Stefan environment.
My head. Yes, baby.
I'm going to do something.
Yeah, I'm coming to make the tea for you.